हाय, मैं कांति शाह। मैं विवेका कुमार की पेशेंट हूँ। वो उनके पास मैं हमेशा आती रहती हूँ। करीब 7-10 साल से आ रही हूँ। लेकिन अभी कुछ दिन पहले आए थे तो उन्होंने मेरा चेकअप ईसीजी को कराया तो उसमें मेरा वाल्व थोड़ा सा सिकुड़ गया था, नैरो हो गया। तो उसने कहा कि आपको ऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा।
I am Sumit Kumar, son of Kanti Saha. She is a cardiac patient, has been for a while under Dr. Viveka Kumar at Max Saket. She has been visiting for the narrowness of her aortic valve for some time. Earlier it was detected to be a bit mild to moderate aortic stenosis, as they call it. Recently, however, that turned out to be towards a severe zone, something in the range of 0.6.
So this is regarding my patient, Mrs. Kanti Saha. She was under my follow-up for last 1 decade, almost 11 years, and she came first in in 2021 that her symptoms are getting worse. So when I had seen her in 2011, she had moderate aortic stenosis, and I said that at some point in time she would need valve replacement, and every couple of years she would come. But this time, after the COVID, she had COVID, and then her symptoms really worsened. She had difficulty in doing normal activities and all. So we asked that, okay, so you need to repeat an echocardiogram. Clinically, she had severe aortic stenosis. We did the echo and that showed severe aortic stenosis.
He mentioned how this is so non-surgical and minimal invasive surgery, which would mean low risk, least discomfort for the patient, and of course in the hands of one of the best doctors that I can say for sure. It was a no-brainer for me that we should go ahead with it right away. Within a week of the diagnosis, we went ahead with the procedure. The whole team before the procedure explained the process and all the administration work around it.
And she agreed, so we used one of the most advanced valve, which is FX from Medtronic, and she was admitted in the morning. Same day by afternoon we did the procedure, and next day she was fit to go home.
जितने नर्सिंग और जितने स्टाफ लोग थे, जितने नर्स और सब बहुत अच्छे से केयर किया उन्होंने। मैं अपने तरफ से यही बोलूँगी कि मैं उनको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। और मेरे को लग रहा है कि इससे अच्छा और नहीं हो सकता था जितना इन लोगों ने केयर किया और मेरा देख रेख किया। और ऑलवेज मैं बोलूँगी डॉक्टर विवेका कुमार इज़ गुड, वेरी गुड डॉक्टर। मेरा बहुत अच्छा से किया। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.